Welcome to our TikTok story time. My name is Gail Dudasak, and I'm a speech-language pathologist at Pediatric Interactions. This week, we've been talking about the letter D. Da. In order to produce the letter D, we need to bring our tongue up right behind our teeth, that little bumpy part. Don't forget, we need to turn our voice on or make it tickle a little bit. D. Great job. We are going to be reading Detective Dog and the Disappearing Doughnut through the Alpha Tale series. This was written by Valerie Garfield and illustrated by Paul Harvey. Detective Dog went to Dave's diner every day for dinner. For dessert, Detective Dog always ordered donuts. Detective Dog loved donuts. Yum. One day after dinner, Detective Dog said to Dave, "Today is my birthday. I think I will have 2 donuts for dessert to celebrate." "On the double," said Dave. "Oh dear," Dave cried. "The donuts have disappeared." "Doggone it," said Detective Dog. "I have some detecting to do." Suddenly, Detective Dog noticed something near the door. Powdered sugar. "If I follow this trail of donut dust, I bet I'll find the thief," she said. Detective Dog followed the trail of donut dust downtown. She followed it past Drake's drugstore and the department store. The trail led right into Debbie's Deli. "The donut napper must be in here," said Detective Dog. Detective Dog turned the doorknob. She stepped inside the deli, and it was completely dark. Suddenly, the light flashed on. "Surprise!" yelled Detective Dog's friends. "Hot diggity dog," said Detective. "It's a birthday party." Dave told Detective Dog that he only pretended the donuts had disappeared. Dave made a trail of donut dust to lead the detective to the party. Detective Dog was delighted with the party. There were dazzling decorations and dandy gifts, and best of all, there were dozens and dozens of delicious donuts. The end. I love donuts. I hope you do too. At the end of all of our Alpha Tale series, they have a cheer that has to do with the letter we're targeting. So today, I am going to read to you the D cheer. D is for dog and donut too. D is for dolphin in the ocean blue. D is for doll, doctor, and door. D is for duck and dinosaur. Hooray for D, big and small, the most dazzling, delightful letter of all. Thank you for joining our TikTok story time today. We will be live with a therapist tomorrow, so bring your kids and bring any questions or concerns that you have. Thank you. Bye-bye.